Hi guys, welcome back to my next video. And in this video I'm gonna build this beautiful piece. Also we will test this, and also I will calculate all production cost, and I think we can try to sell it on Etsy. Let's do it. So I have these two pieces, walnut, 1, 2, and it will be so this is shelf, and I'm gonna make 5 brass hooks here. I have a brass cylinder, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will be handle with shelf. What do you think? All right, I'm gonna cut this cylinder 2.5 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 2.5 each one. I make holes here, but it will be not 90-degree angle. It will be a little bit less. It will be a little bit like that, because it will be handle, right? You can hook it up your jacket or something. I need to make exact the same line, exact the straight line, and exact the same angle. So the first thing that I can do, I'm gonna cut this cylinder, and I have just a wood piece. I'm gonna make a hole, 2 inches hole, no, 2.5 inches hole, and I just push inside cylinder and cut it. I can use my drill press. I just put a drill press, and I'm gonna sand it, so it will be and each cylinder, so it will be like that. So I'm not sure if you understand me, but let's try doing. Okay, so let me take you along just a little bit here. I already sanded this piece a little bit, and it's light inside, very good. But I have one more new one, and I think, yes, not easy. So I need to make a hole a little bit white. Okay, let's make. This is absolutely not good. I need something else for cut it. This is not good. Kids outside. Sorry about it. So what's my plan? My plan is to push it inside a little bit, not more than 1/4 inch. All right. Now I can see if it's close and I can push it back if I need. Yes! Looks great. Guys, look at this. It's so cool. Let's make one more and see if all of them the same size. Ah, okay. Trust me, all of them the same size. Great. So, what's my plan for this piece? I want to just push something inside. I need just 10-degree angle. $86. Alright guys, I did temporary wood piece here, and this is 10-degree now. So I'm gonna make 5 holes and see how it looks. Let's try. Okay, and yeah, oh no, oh yeah, now it's good. This is better. What do you think? Just I think it's good, right? I think we're good. Okay, I'm gonna create more holes and see how it looks. Okay, let's try. Получилась вешалка. Смотри, как ровненько вот получилось все. Можно что-то поставить наверх, цветочек, картинку, ну, декор какой-нибудь. guys. I'm happy to the result, but I have just one point. I want to change the angle of the hook. Now it's 10 degrees, but I want to do 20, so it will be a little bit higher than now, because Brussels slightly, and the jacket may fall out, right? So the angle must be a little bit higher, the hooks must be a little bit higher, and it will be good. Thank you for staying with me today. Actually, I want to build one more the same product from ash, because I think someone likes more dark wood, someone likes more light wood, and I want to have two different wood in my Etsy shop, walnut and ash, and I want to have 3 different sizes, 2 feet, 2.5 feet, and 3 feet also for any house. And of course, I will tell you in my next video if I will able to sell this product. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you next time. Bye. A couple of days ago I came to Brooklyn to my client to mount this sign to the wall, but this sign has many different pieces, and each one has a wire. It's impossible to drill wall many times. It will be asymmetric and not looks good. So I suggested my client to buy OSB board from Home Depot, paint it, and mount each piece from this sign to board, and after we can mount this board to the wall. I'm not sure how it will looks, but I hope it will works and looks good. I like this job because it's not easy. So let's do it together.